Chase app stopped working suddenly, then here's what we can do in order for you to fix this issue. You will need to start by heading over to the application Chase. Once you're in the space, try refreshing the app by closing off the tab and then reopen it. Refreshing the app has also fixed the issue. If not, the next step you can take is head over to the settings of your device and then move into General. Head over to iPhone storage. In the space, search for the application Chase, then move into it. Now tap on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing in the app. If not, what else you can do is try uninstalling the application and then reinstall it. Most of the time, reinstalling the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. That's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.